Hey guys, Sunny here from the Master Trader, and today is Thursday. It's expiry day, okay, for the weekly options. So what I have done is I have gone ahead and taken a short position on this put option. Okay, Nifty is not really giving much movement for today, right? So not really, a really interesting day to trade. But anyways, nevertheless, I have shorted this, around these levels. So let's see. My stop loss is somewhere just slightly above. Okay, I'm not risking too much today. It is expiry, so it may be a bit volatile. So let's see. I'm expecting prices, Nifty at least to go a bit higher. Okay, and then I'll look to book my profits. So anyways, I'm gonna pause the video now and then come back later, right? And some of you think that these are all screenshots, and but as you can see here, guys, this is not a screenshot. This is live trading in front of you. Okay, so anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have just booked my profits. I'm in around almost 18,000 rupee gains. Okay, so right, I shorted somewhere around here. Okay, so about a 30-minute trade. The thing was, I was supposed to enter somewhere on this trade, okay, but it moved too fast and so I missed it. So this was sort of like a follow-through kind of a trade, okay, which obviously worked out quite well. And not bad, right? Not bad. So generally on expiry days, the movement comes after 2:30. Okay, and I do teach how to trade on expiry days as well. But right, if I'm getting an opportunity before, I'm not gonna miss it, right? I'm not just gonna wait just because it's expiry day. And if I'm getting a very good opportunity, then I'm gonna take the trade. Okay, and that's what I did, right? That's what I did, and that's what generally I do. So 18,000 for the day. Okay, not bad, right? This is not some screenshot. I don't know how to do that anyways, but yeah. So that's it for today, guys, right? I'm not going to keep it very long. I just wanted to show you my trade that I took today, and that's pretty much it, right? I don't want you guys to think that this guy only posts his trades or his videos only when he makes profits. That's not the case. Just because I'm a full-time trader, it doesn't mean that I trade every single day, right? There are days when I don't trade, and there are many reasons for that. Okay, it might be that maybe I'm caught up in some other work, or I might not be in the right mindset, right? Being in the right mindset is a big factor for your trading success. So and there may be many factors that may affect my mindset. Okay, so whichever it is, and some days it might also be that you don't get a trading opportunity. That's I mean, very rare. Okay, that's very rare, but just because I'm a full-time trader does not mean that I will necessarily trade every single day, and that too all day, right? I generally prefer to trade for about an hour at max every single day. Okay, and generally my trading is done in the morning by 11 o'clock, but today I didn't really get a great trading opportunity, didn't get any signals. As I said, I missed this one trade here, so I went and caught it again. Okay, and I think I'm done for the day, guys, right? 18,000 on a single day is not bad, right? So I just wanted to inform you guys that I have opened up registrations for the Index Pro course, okay, which is a completely online based learning program. That's where I teach how to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, and then I'm also conducting a training in Pune on October 12th to 14th, right, of this month. So that's going to be in Pune. So if you guys are interested in any of these, you can contact me on my number below in the description below, and you can come join. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, thanks.